Hello friends, how are you? My name is Divam and welcome to my YouTube channel Divam's Increp. Friends, today I am going to tell you about water harvesting. Friends, I share very informative videos in my YouTube channel. If you like the videos, kindly subscribe and share it to your friends and family members. Let's start the video. First of all, we will take a look at what is water harvesting. Water harvesting is the process of collecting and storing water from natural sources such as rainfall, rivers, or groundwater for later use. It is a crucial method for managing water resources, especially in areas where water supply is limited or unpredictable. By capturing and storing water, it helps reduce dependency on traditional water systems, conserves groundwater, and supports agricultural or domestic needs during dry periods. Additionally, water harvesting can help mitigate the impacts of flood by managing runoff and preserve local ecosystem. This practice promotes sustainability and ensures a more reliable water supply in both urban and rural settings. Types of water harvesting. There are mainly three types of water harvesting: rainwater harvesting, surface water harvesting, and groundwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the simple process of technology used to conserve water by collecting, storing, conveying, and purifying of rainwater that runs off from rooftops, parks, roads, open grounds, etc. for later use. How to harvest rainwater? Rainwater harvesting system consists of the following components: catchment, used to collect and store the captured rainwater; conveyance system, it is used to transport the harvested water from the catchment to the recharge zone; flush, it is used to flush out the first spell of rain; filter, used for filtering the collected rainwater and removing pollutants; tanks and recharge structures, used to store the filtered water which is ready to use. Why do we need to harvest rainwater? Rainwater harvesting helps reduce water bills, provide a backup water source, and conserve water by decreasing reliance on municipal supplies. It prevents runoff, which can reduce flooding and soil erosion, while also benefiting gardens, landscapes, and by supplying plants with clean, soft water. This, this practice offers immediate cost savings and a more sustainable way to manage water, particularly during dry spells or in areas with unreliable water systems. It is a practical solution for improving water security and resource management in a short run. Advantages of rainwater harvesting. The benefits of the rainwater harvesting system are listed below. Less cost helps in reducing the water bill, decreases the demand for water, reduces the need for imported water, promotes both water and energy conservation, improves the quality and quantity of groundwater, does not require a filtration system for landscape irrigation. This technology is relatively simple, easy to install and operate. It reduces soil erosion, stormwater runoff, flooding, and pollution of surface water with fertilizers, pesticides, metals, and other sediments. It is an excellent source of water for landscape irrigation with no chemicals, dissolved salt, and free from all minerals. Disadvantages of rainwater harvesting. In addition to the great advantages, the rainwater harvesting listed below are the few disadvantages of rainwater harvesting. Regular maintenance is required, requires some technical skill for installation. Limited and no rainfall can limit the supply of rainwater. If not installed correctly, it may result in attracting mosquitoes and other waterborne disease. One of the significant drawbacks of rainwater harvesting is the storage limits. Here is an animation showing you how rainwater harvesting works. Firstly, the rain happens. It goes into the first collection area to the storage tank. Then it fills up the second collection area, which goes the water through the conduit to the recharge facility. Surface runoff water harvesting. Surface runoff water harvesting is a method for rainwater harvesting in which storm water is accumulated and purified for use. Rainwater flows away as surface runoff developed areas. This runoff can be caught and used for recharging aquifers by adopting proper methods. How to harvest surface runoff water? Harvesting surface runoff water involves collecting water that runs through surfaces like roads, rooftops, and agricultural fields after rain or melting snow. The water can be directed into various systems such as gutters, wells, and which channels it to storage systems like tanks, ponds, or cisterns. These systems can be designed to filter out debris and sediment, ensuring that the water is clean enough for use. The stored water can be used for irrigation, livestock watering, or even household use in areas where fresh water is scarce. Proper management of surface runoff water does not only helps conserve water but also reduces erosion, flooding, and pollution by preventing storm water from flowing unchecked into drainage systems. Advantages of harvesting surface runoff water. Water conservation reduces dependence on traditional water sources, especially in water scarce. Flood mitigation. Collecting runoffs reduces water entering storm drains, helping to prevent local flooding. Soil erosion control prevents erosion by slowing runoff and protecting soil from being washed away. Improved water quality filters out pollutants, improving the quality of the water in local rivers and lakes. Cost saving lowers water bills by providing an alternative water source for non-potable uses. Sustainability promotes self-reliance in water supply, encouraging more sustainable resource management. Agricultural benefits provides a reliable low-cost water source for irrigation, improving crop yield. Disadvantages of harvesting surface runoff water. Water quality. Runoff may contain contaminants requiring filtration and treatment. Limited storage. Storage capacity may be insufficient during heavy rain. Maintenance. Regular upkeep of system is needed to prevent clogging and contamination. Inconsistent supply. Runoff water availability depends on rainfall, making it unreliable in dry periods. High initial costs. Setting up harvesting systems can be expensive. Overuse risks. Over-relying on runoff may deplete local resources. Space constraints. Storage systems may require space which may be limited in urban areas. Groundwater harvesting. Groundwater harvesting is the process of collecting and storing water from underground aquifers to meet the needs of communities, agriculture, and industries. This method is crucial in regions where surface water is scarce or unreliable, as it taps into a natural reservoir that can be replenished through rainwater infiltration. Techniques such as digging wells, constructing boreholes, and building recharge pits are commonly used to access groundwater. In addition to directly extracting water, groundwater harvesting often includes methods for enhancing recharge, such as rainwater harvesting systems, which may help replenish the aquifers. Sustainable groundwater management is essential to avoid over-extracting, which can lead to issues like depletion, land subsidence, or saltwater intrusion. How to harvest groundwater? Site 1. Site collection. Choose areas with good groundwater potential using potential using geological surveys or existing wells. Drilling wells or boreholes. Using wells or boreholes to access water pumps are used for extraction. Rainwater harvesting. Collect rainwater and direct into recharge pits or trenches to replenish rainwater. Recharge pits or trenches. Create pits or trenches to allow surface water to infiltrate and recharge aquifers. Check dams. Build small dams on seasonal streams to capture and direct water into recharge zones. Aquifers aquifer recharge wells (ARWs) inject water directly into aquifers through special wells. Water conservation reduce wastage with efficient irrigation and household practices to conserve groundwater. Monitoring and management regularly monitoring water levels and regulate extraction to avoid overuse. Advantages of groundwater. Groundwater harvesting offers several benefits. Reliable supply provides a consistent water source, especially in dry areas. Reduced surface water pressure, easy strains on rivers and lakes, boosts agriculture, supports irrigation, ensuring stable crop production. Cost effective, often cost often cheaper than surface water infrastructure. Local water access reduces reliance on distant water sources. Disaster resilience acts as a backup during floods or droughts. Cleaner water. Groundwater is typically less polluted. Aquifer recharge, sustainable method to replenish water reserves. Energy saving reduces the need for energy intensive water transport. Disadvantages of groundwater harvesting. Groundwater harvesting has some disadvantages. Depletion. Over-extraction can lead to declining water levels, land subsidize. Excessive pumping can cause the ground to sink. Pollution risk. Contaminants can enter aquifers if not properly managed. Costly infrastructure. Drilling wells and maintaining pumps can be expensive. Saltwater intrusion. In coastal areas, overuse can lead to saltwater mixing with fresh water. Limited recharge. Aquifers may not recharge quickly enough in dry periods. I hope you find the video very informative. Thanks for watching my video. Meet you again in my next video. Until then, bye bye.